With Simcenter 3D Rotodynamic 2506, you can continue to solve rotor assemblies made of multiple stages, with anisotropic bearings and status. The results from these simulations are still given in a fixed reference frame for various harmonic indexes, making the interpretation of results easy. Engineers simulating turbo machines can often reduce pre-processing and computation time by modeling a single section of a cyclically symmetrical structure. Now, with the expansion of the Coleman transformation to multiple-stage rotors, you can calculate complex modes of the rotor in multi-blade coordinates and output results in a fixed reference frame. You can even get results faster with parallel computations. Thanks to the Coleman transformation, the complex mode analysis results include a Campbell diagram with a fixed reference frame for cyclic modes of 0 and 1 diameters. In this example, the first and third modes at 33 Hz are backward and forward modes respectively, as shown in the animation. Mode 5 at 112 Hz as a torsional mode that corresponds to the harmonic index 0. Mode 7 and 9 are 1 diameter modes that represent bending modes. Now you can use a Coleman transformation on cyclic symmetrical rotors with one or multiple stages to calculate complex modes for multiple harmonic indexes and give the results as output in a fixed reference frame.